if minus 2x to the power of 3 plus 6x to the power of 2 plus 17x minus 21 is divided by x plus 1. The remainder is, looking at this question, you see this is a polynomial question, and it's just a division of polynomials, and it's similar to your long division where you have 8 divided by 2. What you simply do normally is you do for a number that you multiply by 2 that will give you 8, and you know it's 4. So you do 4 times 2, you get 8, and you subtract, you get your dot. Similarly, that's how we work with polynomials too. So let's have minus 2x to the power of 3 plus 6x to the power of 2 plus 17x minus 21 divided by x plus 1. So we'll look at this bigger value, this x, and look for what we're going to multiply by x to give us minus 2x raised to the power 3. And we know in minus 2x raised to the power 3, we have 1x inside, so we'll be left with minus 2x raised to the power 2. So we have minus 2x raised to the power 2. We'll multiply it by the x and also multiply it by plus 1. Minus 2x to the power of 2 minus 2x squared times x is minus 2x cubed. Then you still have that minus 2x squared times plus 1, which is going to still give us minus 2x squared. Then you subtract. You have minus 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, which is minus 2x cubed plus 2x cubed, which gives us 0. So here we put our dots. On the second part of the equation, we have plus 6x squared minus 2x squared as plus 6x squared minus 2x squared. We have plus 6x squared minus times minus will give you plus 2x squared. Plus 6x squared plus 2x squared gives us plus 8x squared. So write our 8x squared here. We'll take the 8x squared too and take the x. What are we going to multiply by x to give us 8x squared? You know, in 8x squared we have 8xx, that's 2 x's. So if we take one of the x to represent this x, then you'll be left with 8x. So we'll add plus 8x plus 8x, and before that we have to drag down this plus 17x, so we can have two values while we're solving down. So we have plus 8x times x will give us 8x squared. Then 8x times 1 will give us 8x. Next thing we subtract. 8x squared minus 8x squared gives you dot. You have 17x minus plus 8x. That's plus 17x minus plus 8x, which gives us 17x minus 8x. 17x minus 8x is 9x. We have 9x. Then we drag down the last part of the equation, that's minus 21, which is 9x minus 21. Now we look at this 9x and look at this value of x. What are we going to multiply by x that can give us 9x? We have to just multiply 9, because in this 9x we have x, so multiply 9, that's plus 9. 9 plus 9 plus 9 times x gives us 9x. Then plus 9 times plus 1 gives us plus 9. So we subtract like we do our long division. 9x minus 9x gives us 0, that's dot. Then we have minus 21 minus plus 9x. We have to be careful. 21 minus 21 minus plus 9x, because we're subtracting this, and this 21 owns this minus and this 9 owns this plus, and we still have our minus here. So we have minus 21 minus times plus is minus 9. So we have minus 21 minus 9, that gives us minus 30. So we have minus 30. Since there's no other value you can bring down, and there's no way you can multiply 30 by x that will give you 30. Since there's no way we can multiply anything by 30 to give us x, this is actually our remainder. This is actually our remainder, minus 30. So in our answer is C, minus 30.